Hello everyone, this is the cube. Our today's topic is to derive a plus b whole cube theoretically. It means if each side of the cube is divided into two portions a and b. A is the smaller one and b is the longer portion of the side. Then how we can find its whole cube theoretically? Means you have done this formula before, that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3ab square plus 3a square b plus b cube. But this is your learning. How we can derive this formula, that is the topic of today. Okay, we will come towards a plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. Mean whenever we are going to find the cube, we will multiply each side 3 times. As we find the square, we multiply side 2 times. So here, for finding the cube, we will multiply side 3 times and each side is equal to a plus b. Next is here, we have the 3a plus b. So 1a plus b we will write first and then 2 we will combine, a plus b whole square. You have done this before, a plus b whole square. How we can find this? By multiplying a plus b into a plus b. And the formula we are getting, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we have the expression in which our first polynomial is a plus b and the second is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula of whole square. Next one, we are going to multiply. As you know how to multiply the two polynomials, the first term of the first polynomial a will be multiplied by the second polynomial. Then the second term plus b will be multiplied by the second polynomial. After multiplication, you will see that a multiply a square will get a cube. A multiplied by next term we will get 2a square b, and then a multiplied by the next term we will get here ab square. Then plus b will be multiplied by a square, we will get a square b. Then plus b will be multiplied by 2ab, we will get 2ab square. And then plus b will be multiplied by b square, we can get here b cube. Now you can see here that 2 yellow one terms are the like terms and 2 blue one terms are the like terms. We can add these terms. Means 2 yellow terms, 2a square b, and the other yellow term is a square b. They both will be added, so 2 plus 1 will be 3a square b. And 2 blue terms as 2a square ab square and ab square will be added. We can get 3ab square, that you will see in the next step. And this is now our formula a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the formula which you always learn. We can also write this formula as, when we will take the common 3ab from yellow and blue terms, and we will get here a cube plus 3ab into a plus b cube. So these are the two ways we can write this formula. Thank you.